Hello, I'm Mohammed Umar, and this is my CS50 mobile app development with React Native project number 2, the movie browser. And here is the home screen, which appears only when you first open the app, and let's search. And here is the search screen, which is a stack navigator inside a tab navigator. And we have another tab here, the about screen, which is kind of useless, but we might make it a settings tab or anything in the future. And we have here a clickable text linked to my LinkedIn profile. And let's search. And here's the results. And every time you scroll down, the app fetches more data for you from the API, and every row here is clickable for more details. And here's more details about this specific movie, like its release date and director and some ratings. And let's dive into the code. In app.js here we have the navigators of the app, and we have here the app navigator, which is a switch navigator between the home screen and the main tabs. And the main tabs is a tab navigator, and we have a search, which is a main stack, and about, which is the about screen. And the main stack is the search screen and the details screen here. And the screens. The home screen and the about screen are so simple, so let's go to the search screen. In search screen.js we initialize the state, and we have search input, which stores the user input, and search results empty array, which stores the results, and page number for the API, and no results for this text. And handle search input change, which keep track the user input and update the state, and call search. And search will call the API to fetch data for the user, and load more results, which will call the API again if the user reaches the end of the page for more results. And we return here a view and text input and a flat list, and if there is no results or any error happen, it will return no results, please try again. And the flat list results here are declared in a separate file, and we just return a flat list with some props, and every item in the flat list is a row which is declared in a separate file too. And here's the row, which is a touchable opacity with image and some views. And let's take a look at the API. And we have here my API key, and here we call the API for the movie search here. First we clean the user input by trim it, like removing the unnecessary spaces before or after the text, because it's not acceptable for the API, and replace any spaces between the input like this, and replace any spaces to %20, which is acceptable for the API, and make them all lowercase. And here we process the search results, and let's see the details screen. In the details screen we have a state for the movie details and a state for the ratings. And when component mount, we call the API for the movie details by its ID. And here we render the movie details, and if there is no results or it's loading, we will render loading. And here we return a scroll view, and here we have an image, which is the poster, and we have a text here, which is the title. Here we return a rating row for the ratings, which is declared in a separate file, and that's it. And here we have info row, which is these rows, and it's declared in separate file too. This, and let's see the API for the details screen, which is a little bit different. Here we process the details results, And all of my application styles are declared in a separate file here to make my code cleaner and more readable and organized. And that's my movie browser. Hope you like it and thank you for watching.